Hold on, boys. I'm on the wrong time frame. Hold on. This is wrong right here. This is my bad. I'm on the wrong time frame here. I was on the wrong time frame. That is my fault right here. But yeah, it's not looking the greatest. We'll see though. Is Pilot here? No, Pilot's not here. Ignore my level. Yeah, I was on the wrong time frame. We manipulation 25 seconds here. Oh, pretty high for the week, man. And boys, and girls, pretty high. Uh, oh, my mouse is glitching. All right, you can clearly see just before 9:25 that we have some sort of movements right here. I think we're gonna sweep these right there, either the two. So we'll see on that. Uh, 4 seconds. Nothing crazy. We got the manipulation at 9:24, right at 9:25 happens. This candle right here is the market open close at 9:25 and 3:50. It always does that. Or if you're Central Time, 8:25 and 2:50. Heavy short there if order stays there. You cannot. Yeah, you can't. You cannot. All right, never mind. We're getting it. If I see this happen on open, bro, I'm foaming because it's clear that the price is just trying to manipulate these levels right here. Clear, clear, clear. We just got it before open though. So we'll move that right here. I don't know. I won't really execute it on the stream this one. Probably won't even execute it at all, to be honest. Good morning, Lumen. Hey, Lumen's back. He was in Florida, right? He was enjoying life, LARPing and all that, getting me clips from my Instagram. I'm just kidding. But he was LARPing in yo, Ryan was good. The two Ryans. He was LARPing in Pepe was good. He was LARPing in Florida. It's gone. They spoofed it. Rip. They spoofed it at 967. We'll see. We'll see on the open. That was an error level right there, though. But it's clearly 20, 25,000, which is session highs right there. By the way, so lots of order on session highs at that level. Irvin is our bookmap guy. He tells us where the order are. If we want to lose money or if we want to make money, we follow what Irvin says. Hey, I'm just kidding. But all right, let's see. 20 in here, dubs. Dubs. All right, open in 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Sorry. So your signal involving a signal bot. They're gone, so they removed everything? Jesus. Irvin's got some balls. You got some balls trading just before open, I'm not gonna lie to you. But again, I don't think today's gonna be an insane day for the team model, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna be crazy. The manipulation was too big just before open. To be honest, I think I don't like it today. I wouldn't take this on okay. Unless we go lower right here, right? But at this stage right there, I'm not sure. Okay. 928 is about to come, and we're seeing some clear displacement right here. Looking for these lows, by the way. It's coming. Oh my god, it's so volatile. Holy shit. It's so volatile right now. Jesus. I'm telling you, if I was trading the funded today, I would stay away from this. I'm just saying. I definitely would. Because holy shit, it's volatile. I mean, you can see we've reversed this candle. I know you love it. I know you do. We reversed this candle, 18 points, pre-open. That is volatile as hell. For T model, I would stay away personally. God damn, portfolio is eating as well. Holy shit, we have Nvidia earning this week. This is gonna be insane. This small move made me $12, by the way, which is pretty nice. I really suggest you invest long term. Without giving you advices on it, I really already suggest. But if it drops back down right here, I'm losing $12, you know, so that always sucks as well. All right, let's see. Open in a minute here. Should be interesting. I'm telling you, I would not trade the T model today. I wouldn't. It's not looking good. We need a range. We're not ranging at all right now. So be careful with it this morning. Definitely. Market's so wet right now. What about evals? Evals, yeah, I traded on evals. Stan was good. What is good, my boy? I'm more tempted for shorts, to be honest. Right? I know Irvin's saying long, but I'm more tempted on shorts. We'll see. We'll see for sure. I do see the equal highs right there, though. What's good, man? How you doing? Let's go for this. No pressure. No pressure. It does not happen every day. It's super consistent, though. It happens a lot, but not every day. Doing good, doing good. All right, let's see open. I'm not confident in the T model today at all. We're just two up, right? I want a range for it, not a missile up, to be honest. Hopefully it goes up for Irvin though. Let's see. Uh, Something crazy. Let's go, Irvin. Irvin. Let's go. But yeah, no manipulation on open. For the T model. Irvin's always cooking, bro. When is this motherfucker not cooking? He cooked. When is this guy not cooking? Holy shit! Let's look at the hourly right here. All right, our highs were swept right there. Our highs were swept right here. Right, this is the equal highs right there that we were looking for shorts off of. Oh my god, the portfolio's eating. This is the short we were looking for shorts off of right here. We still have the new week opening gap that is right here. Around that area right there, but that's what we were looking for right there for reversals. So let's see if we can get something out of that. Hopefully, but yeah, no T model today. Happens. Irvin cooked though. Irvin did. Alright, let's see. Clear reaction. Clear reaction for sure. ES is not moving well. That means this is just going up. And this is not, this is like kind of not going up or something like this, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of chopping a bit more. Because remember that NVIDIA controls NASDAQ and Vol controls ES. The opposite. The opposite, sorry. Yeah, no, yeah. Vol controls ES and NVIDIA controls NASDAQ. Let's see here. Clear that it was going to short. No setup though, but clear. Clear as a day. Right there. You long? I did not long, no. Maybe Cam did. Goddamn. Shorted? You shorted the T model. Holy shit. Cam is insane, dude. Cam's insane. You shorted the 15 seconds or what? Holy shit. So no setup on the short side there. It was clear though that we were gonna go there and reverse off of this. But Cam's learned the T model and literally fucking Yo Nick was good. Pilot was good. Who else? Ghost. He literally learned the T model in 2 weeks. This guy's insane. Kind of in the chop right now though. We're gonna wait right here. Kind of in the chop right here. We could, I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna make bearish S&Ts right here. That's my guess. Bearish SMTs right there. Cam's just cooking. Cam, you made you made 4.5 today. 4.7 actually. How do you feel? Make it the SMT gonna look for shorts. Let's see. Portfolio is eating right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy with this open, even though we're not catching anything at the moment. I'm happy with the open. Still looking at the lower time frame, by the way. I want the sweep right there, and then I can look for shorts. Uh, oh, okay, so it's the same account? Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Apart from Cam, anybody took anything right here? Maybe Ryan. Ryan did leave, I think. There's just one who said, okay, well that works. I don't think you can, yeah. Well, actually, I know you can't. On all these, like, this is why Trading View is so optimal for charting, because you can have literally everything. All right. I'm still waiting for that SMT right here at the highs. For new ones, you'll notice that trading is about patience, right? So we're gonna be patient here. Meanwhile, I switch my musics. Uh, Yeah, that's what I do as well most of the time. Chart on TradingView and then execute on Project X. It's just much better, in my opinion. Dominique and Willie, anything? Anything at all? Apart from that, the team model like, for sure is cooked. You don't like it that much? Yeah, no, for team model, you don't need indicator. All right, we could get our SMT right here. Nice. Not seeing nothing right now. All right, bet. Not seeing nothing either, to be honest. uh, nah, okay. Valid. I was trying to find my words here. Valid. Hey, portfolio just hit a new milestone. Although no, it's not. Let's go. Take $2 from hitting a milestone. Happy about that. Paula, anything? Never mind about that milestone, by the way. Nothing. Okay. I'm gonna wait for these highs. If we don't get these highs, I'm not gonna take anything. There is a consistency rules, yes. Big ass dip on Nasdaq right now. I can see it clearly on the 15. Still nothing for us though, as it's choppy. Jesus, it's gonna be easier to trade this week at least. Tap on order blocks and then all that. I think it's gonna be easier to trade than what it's been because last week was I did not take one dub on gold last week. uh, well, all the analysis was good. All the trades failed. You did Loki cook last week. I mean, you implemented what you got from the PDF Loki, and you started fucking cooking. So now it should just be only up, in my opinion. We'll see. But you did cook. Hey, Will is just frame mugging us at USA, LSU. Or frame, I don't know. I don't really follow the old drama and all that. So as of now, Bias is cooking. Just gave no entry again. But Bias is cooking. Pretty happy about that. ASU frat leader from me. What's frame mugging? What does that mean? Does it mean like he's wider or something? Jesus. It's so retarded. Alright, still waiting for the same sweep, by the way. All about patience. Oh, okay, I see it. I mean, Glav is not that muscular. Let's not talk about that guy. It's so brain rot. Holy shit. Uh, rig mugging. Glav is a twink. He's attractive though. No homo for sure, but Bitcoin picked it back up. Almost went to 63 yesterday and then came back. So again, boys and girls, we're still waiting for the same levels, right? Don't wanna rush anything, think anything stupid. So yeah, just waiting right here, and we'll be patient. I don't care about the session sweep at the moment right here. Why? Because we have so much resting liquidity at the lows right there. We also have the 50% daily range, so I'm not gonna take any longs off of the session sweep right here. Not that it would be bad, but it wouldn't be too good if that makes sense. Uh, so yeah, Jesus Christ, it's volatile. Gold is ripping, insane. It's the war right now that's going on. I mean, look at silver right now. A lot of people are gonna make a lot of money today on these assets. We, like as us, if we enter a trade, we ain't moving stuff now. All right, about to hit the milestone. Let's go. $3. Come on. I'm a nerd. Holy shit. Palantir's down. Bro, Palantir is such a shit stock for the moment. It's way too high. It's way too high. And we're gonna make money? Hey, of course. Of course, hopefully. I need that sweep though. We're super close. We're super close here. $4 away. Like if we get it on ES, right, and we get an actual big move on Nasdaq, Let's say we move higher right here and then we get an actual gap. Sure. But if it just sweeps and it's still like this, no, you're not gonna make money off of that. It's important. You guys watch the PDF and all that, so we know that we need a nice V shape for us to enter. And if we just sweep right here and it's choppy like this on NQ, no way. That would be stupid and would be chasing gains. There we go, hit the milestone. Yay. So yeah. Like, did you receive your silver, by the way? Yay. I think you got scammed. Low key. You got it? Okay, it's actual silver. Yep, we're patient. Nice. 5-minute IVG, which one? That one right there? I'm guessing. Jesus. They may have updated their thing. If you look at it at the 5-minute, you can see it move clearly. They may have updated their stuff. Super close to our sweep right here, but Nasdaq is so damn choppy, you don't want to be trading the chop right there. Oh, okay, yeah, the fair value gap, essentially. Ooh, on IVG has been patched. I think the market's just Trump tweeted. Yep, he did tweeted. He's talking about tariffs right now, Trump, so it should go lower here. He's gonna mess up our old model right there. Trump tweeted about tariff, boys. Yep, Trump tweeted about tariff just now. So none of the technical is gonna work here. That motherfucker just nuked the market again. 60 points and 75 points in a candle. God damn. That was Trump. Trump with tariffs. Just nuked my fucking portfolio as well. No. So we gotta be careful to trade whenever Trump is speaking, by the way. Yo, Yuri, yeah, Yuri, you could see in the future. What's up with that, man? These lows are these highs. The one I want. Not gonna touch the market until we get any of these. Yeah, you better be careful when we're in position. These lows are important as well, by the way. So, any of these three, 1, 2, and 3, I wouldn't mind for a trade. Any country that wants to play game with the ridiculous Supreme Court decision, especially those that have ripped off the USA, blah blah blah. He's rambling some shit about the tariffs. Almost swept all that. Yep, that was swept. The market's clearly reacting to a tweet right there. Yeah, everything's being completely ignored right here. If we ignore these levels and ignore those levels, we're gonna call it a day for Nasdaq. Most likely not will right here because it's important that you play with the fundamentals, and the fundamentals are Trump talking about tariffs again. So we really be careful. We really got to be careful about that. Gold's ripping as well. It's really important that you notice these Jesus Christ portfolio. I'm not even gonna look anymore. But it's really important that you notice the fundamentals. I'll send the link of what you need to follow right here, right? But knowing the fundamentals when you're trading is so important because if you just disregard them completely, you will get cooked because you can see that everything's getting disrespected right here. 50% got plowed through. This LRL right there, this prominent low got plowed through. This 10 a.m. level is holding pretty well though, I gotta say. But everything else plowed right through. This is a price action you want to stay away if it keeps going doing that. As you can see, it keeps going lower right here. Irvin Cook, yeah, Irvin long don't open. He's got balls. But yeah, right now we're just disrespecting everything. So it's a day where you kind of stay away from Nasdaq. Let's look at gold here. Same thing for gold. Gold is just going and going. We haven't had a black candle in almost an hour, if you know what I mean. So it's really important that you play with the bearish. Oh, that? Yeah, I know. I don't know, Yuri. It's just that's how life be, right? I'm just kidding. Wait, you didn't cook, Irvin? What? I thought you were in longs on open. As for news today, no news, right? You would ask for my autograph as you should. I mean, come on now. I'm just joking. No sweep of our low anyways, right there. I was, but trade C did enter me wrong and fucked me over, rip. Are we long? Are we short? Is this gold? Still. Still going up on gold, so we're not gonna catch anything on gold for sure. You know, Nasdaq, I still have some sort of hope with these levels right here, but if we go right through these, it's cooked for the day, to be honest. Are you in? Are you in? Dude, there's so many dummies, it's funny. Let's see. But yeah, these rip. Aqua payout or not? Aqua's been cooking, and then we have Sheldon has been cooking as well. I don't know if Sheldon's here, but Jesus. All right. Disrespected completely these levels right here. You see, there's a guy that in the chat that said what's going on in the markets, and he does not look at fundamentals. It's important to look at these fundamental levels, not levels, but news and all that, right? I most likely will stay flat this AM. I don't want to trade when Trump's speaking about tariffs, because last time I did, me and Cam got tickled by one tick, right? So I don't want to be trading when Trump is talking about that. So we'll see. But if we disrespect all that, I'm out for Nasdaq. We're still gonna be live. We're gonna do educational, but we're not gonna trade. Like literally 45 minutes without a bearish candle on gold as well. This is bad for Nasdaq since open. 15-minute all bearish. Let's see. Last chance of us getting a reversal here though. Super volatile to the downside as you can see though. Like I would be tempted to not even call out if we get an inversion right here, just because of the fundamentals. If I'm being completely honest. Honest Truth Social right here. All right, clear reversal off of the London though, which is not bad. We'll see. Yeah, nothing on the entry time frame. The 15 seconds we have no entry either. 30 seconds there also no entry. Go back to the 15 right here. Okay, that level is getting respected heavily though. Heavily respected. But again, be careful, boys. This is a 57-point candle right here. This is highly volatile. You know, you will have to have like 2 to 3 contract max if you do end up taking a trade. I mean, look at this. Look at how the market's moving right now. You don't want to be in when it's moving like this. It's volatile as fuck. No X on 5. I don't personally think this does anything, but you know, I know some people are like, oh well, you know, this sucks right here. This would be a test and retap long, in my opinion, with different conditions. Yeah, we saw that happen last week twice. Test and retap right here after London sweep. Clear as day. No inversions though. Clear as day. That sucks, to be honest. I think last week it happened twice where we had an IVG right here, right? Gonna contradicting myself with what I was just saying of stay away. But we had an IVG right here. We retapped into the 10 a.m. and then and also the fair value gap, but then it just mooned, and that's the same thing that just happened right there. So kind of sucks that we did not have an inversion right there. Mm. I want the 2505 level that to get touched for shorts, but we ain't getting there today. 2505 right here. I was open. Bad because Trump tweeted about tariffs. So open kind of chopped around for 5 minutes. Right, he tweeted around right here at 9:34, I believe. 13 minutes ago, so I don't know. That's like, yeah, 9:38, something like that. He tweeted like right here, and then price just fully dipped afterwards. So kind of cooked the whole day. We were super close to getting an SMT for shorts as well. So Trump kind of did cook the whole market this morning, and we also have gold that hasn't had a bearish candle on the 5 minute in the last 50 minutes. So yeah, but hey Sheldon, You made 1,600 today on your fundeds. How you feeling? Like someone puked on the screen? He's got booger on the stream. On the screen, sorry. So yeah, I do believe Trump did cook the market for us today. And I'm sorry for the first comers, but it is what it is. Trump is just playing his magic. I was so ready to full port today. I was ready to full port as well. I mean, these shorts were looking super great right here, but Trump decided to open his mouth and then just dip the market just before we went there. So fuck that guy, to be honest. But that would have been valid shorts. I'm feeling GGs. I have it. I won't be trading the rest of yeah, yeah, yep. I mean, hey, can we get a W for Sheldon? Guy's been trading 3 weeks with me and with us, and he's got 2 fundeds. He's up like 2K on total on fundeds. Let's get a W for that guy. I mean, come on now. Yeah, he's goated. It's goated. He's goated. Like holy shit. Him and Aqua, man, and Cameron as well. I mean, all you guys, but Cameron, Aqua, and Sheldon have been sticking out. Like holy shit. It's crazy. You must get lots of pussy. Euro freeze U.S. trade deal approval over Trump tariff uncertainty. Yeah, it's not a market. Trump, hold on, I got something. Trump, as president, I do not have to go back to Congress to get approval of tariffs. So it's a whole mix of all shit today. I think it's a day you should really stay away from the markets. I mean, fuck, I know. This guy's absolutely saying some dumb shit right here, to be honest. Let's look at these assets right here. Yeah, they're moving the same. By the way, US 30 and RTY are moving in correlation to each other. Nasdaq and ES in correlation, and gold and silver in correlation right here. That's why on stream on TikTok you often see me go back on here, right? It's because I'm looking at silver. So yeah, I don't know what's happening with the market right now, but Trump is doing some crazy shit. I don't think I'm ready to take the risk to long this inversion for value gap right there, to be honest. I don't think I'm ready just because of all the thing that's going on at the moment, but it most likely will go up, but I don't think I'm ready. You're looking along on eval? Jesus. Maybe if we get the retap right now, but I don't think I don't even that I don't think I will. It's too there's too many political thing happening, and I like to stay away when the politics is involved in the Nasdaq. To be honest. Oh my God, I got a banger song right there. You guys remember this from the childhood? Probably Lumen, Cameron, Nick. You guys remember that? Maybe Ascent as well. Yeah, Trump is saying some crazy stuff at the moment. This is gonna go. I'm not trying to trade it nor call it. But if you did enter right here, make sure you break even in the CE of that gap right there. Yeah, before it went insane, he had some bangers. So make sure you're gonna get stopped out break even right here. It's a risky ass play. We've hit the CE of the gap right there. So I'd go break even if I was you. It's most likely going to be a break even anyway, right? Still not break even at the moment though, but this is where you entered. You entered at the highs right there. Yeah, it's a break even. I think it's a good break even. It's super early break evens, but I think it's good with everything that's going on right now. You don't really want to be in a trade for too long. Maybe our first bearish candle on gold. Who knows? We could create an order block right there. Jesus, Aqua. Fuck, I know. You can't hear me? Maybe it'll be break even. Yeah, it's scary with Trump speaking. It's scary. The retap I'm not gonna take either. I don't care. Trump is speaking about tariffs. The market's in all uncertainty right now. I don't want to be in that. Although I'd be up 10 points right now, 12 points. I don't want to be in that shit, to be honest. It's scary. Really, really scary. That would have been a passing event, but still, don't wanna trade when Trump